Hi everyone, this is me Lyssa, and in today's video I'm going to show to you how I hide my imperfections and perk up my tired eyes using this Boi-ing Crash Course Concealer Palette from Benefit Cosmetics. So this is the palette, and as what you can see, the packaging is just so perfect. And what makes it really nice is also it comes with a mirror. And in the palette, there are two types of concealer. One is the Industrial Strength Concealer that comes in 2 shades. And the other one is the Boi-ing Brightening Concealer in shade number 2. So now I'm going to show to you how I use this palette. Let's address my imperfections first, like my blemishes and my dark spots. I have quite a lot right now, like here. Here and here and here. I also have some freckles here, but I'm fine with the freckles. It's just the blemishes and the dark spots that I want to conceal. So in concealing that, I'm gonna use the Industrial Strength Concealer number 2. So it's this one. And the best tool you can use to apply concealer is your ring finger, because this is the weakest finger, so it exerts just the right amount of pressure to your skin to avoid pulling and tugging. So I'm gonna get a few, not one. Okay, here it is. And also it's important to, warm it up so that it's gonna be easier to apply and to blend. And also here, let me zoom it in. Ew, pores. Okay. So that's it. Now it's time to perk up these tired eyes. So for my under eye, I'm going to use the brightening concealer first. It's like color correcting it. And next is the shade number 1 of the Industrial Strength Concealer. Really good, and it's very easy to blend. Okay, so now it's time to add the Industrial Strength Concealer, this one, in shade 1. That's it, guys. I'm gonna set the concealer using a translucent powder, and then I'm gonna finish my makeup. So this is actually really nice, and it's my new favorite. It's also very handy and perfect for traveling or when you go to the beach. Using this bag, it's so cute. Right. So thank you so much for watching, and see you guys on my next video. Bye.